Hello, I'm Thamizharasu, your guide to navigating the complex world of business strategy through effective market segmentation. Imagine being able to peek into a crystal ball and see exactly who will buy your products, why they'll buy them, and how you can reach them. That's the power of market segmentation. Today, we're diving deep into the art and science of segmenting your market to ensure your business not only survives, but thrives in today's competitive landscape. So buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey together. And remember, if you find value in our discussion, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. Let's get started. 1. Understanding target market segmentation. An introduction. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad consumer or business market, normally consisting of existing and potential customers, into subgroups of consumers, known as segments, based on some type of shared characteristics. In its essence, it's about understanding who your customers are and how they differ from one another. 2. The importance of market segmentation in business strategy. Segmenting your market is crucial because it allows you to tailor your marketing strategies to specific groups, leading to more efficient and effective marketing efforts. It helps in identifying the most lucrative segments, understanding their needs and targeting them accurately, thus maximizing our ROI. 3. Types of market segmentation. Demographic, psychographic, behavioral, and geographic. Demographic segmentation. This involves dividing the market into segments based on variables such as age, gender, income, education, and occupation. It's straightforward and often the starting point for most segmentation strategies. Psychographic segmentation. Here, consumers are divided based on their lifestyle, interests, attitudes, and values. This type of segmentation helps in targeting consumers on a more personal level. Behavioral segmentation. This approach segments consumers based on their interaction with a product or service, such as their purchasing behavior, user status, and brand loyalty. It's highly effective for tailoring marketing messages and offers. Geographic segmentation. Simply put, geographic segmentation divides the market based on location. This can range from broad categories like countries to more specific ones like neighborhoods, adapting marketing efforts to local preferences and conditions. 4. Identifying your target audience. Steps to effective segmentation. The process of identifying your target audience involves several steps, starting with research to gather data, followed by analyzing this data to identify patterns or similarities, and finally, defining your segments based on these insights. This ensures your marketing efforts are focused and impactful. 5. Utilizing demographic segmentation to tailor marketing efforts. Demographic segmentation allows for a basic yet powerful way to target your marketing efforts. By understanding the fundamental characteristics of your audience, you can tailor your messages to resonate with different demographic groups, ensuring relevance and effectiveness. 6. Psychographic segmentation. Targeting consumer lifestyles and values. Psychographic segmentation goes deeper, allowing you to connect with consumers on an emotional and psychological level. By aligning your products and marketing messages with the intrinsic values and lifestyles of your segments, you can foster a deeper connection and loyalty. 7. Behavioral segmentation, leveraging consumer actions for marketing success. Behavioral segmentation provides insights into how consumers interact with your brand, offering a blueprint for personalizing marketing approaches. Whether it's through customizing offers based on purchase history or tailoring communications based on browsing behavior, it's about making every interaction count. 8. Geographic segmentation. How location influences marketing strategies. The where is just as important as the who. Geographic segmentation recognizes the importance of location in consumer preferences and behavior. Tailoring your marketing strategy based on geographic data can dramatically increase its relevance and impact. 9. Integrating market segmentation into your marketing plan. Incorporating market segmentation into your marketing plan involves identifying your key segments and developing specific strategies for each. This tailored approach ensures that marketing efforts are concentrated on the most lucrative segments, leading to more effective campaigns and a better allocation of resources. 10. analyzing and adjusting your segmentation strategy for optimal results. The work doesn't stop once a segmentation strategy is implemented. It requires ongoing analysis and adjustment based on performance data and changing market conditions. This ensures that your segmentation strategy remains effective over time, adapting as needed to maintain or improve results.